What's up guys, Dakota here, the Parts Unlimited rep for Oklahoma, North Texas. We're gonna take my 04 KX125 and build it. We got a bunch of vendors that we distribute for across North America, Canada, and Europe. A bunch of cool parts that you guys can find at your local Parts Unlimited dealer around town. We're gonna start the unboxing process of all the goodies that are starting to roll in. All right. Now, is it a Cervies or is it a Cherubies? I think it's a Cherubies. All new plastics. We got the green front all the way to the new 2020 Cowie front end. We're gonna keep it stock for the most part. Front rotor guard, fork guards. They got all of the makes, models, colors, anything you can think of to pimp out a dirt bike. Use my fancy screwdriver. All right, next up, we got engine fasteners, we got body fasteners, we got the full 9 yards. They got Cowie, Yamaha, KTM. We got a full FMF fatty system to a power cord 2. All new clutch cable, throttle cables, all the way down to the fork bleeders, pedal anchor kit, rim tape, and beadlock systems. We're gonna lace up some new wheels on this. Gallifer, center pads, along with the oversized rotor kits for this 125. Bronze custom stainless steel braided lines with the black banjos. These guys wanted to get a little trick with the build. Good guys over at 405 Mod, Dylan Matheny is gonna do a lot of the Cerakote on this. We're gonna do a black rim with a green nipple and potentially a green or bronze hub. We're gonna see how this thing pieces together. Bridgestone new X31s. So this is their intermediate tire. I thought about a Louis Vuitton, no, I'm kidding. I've seen some of the guys do the Louis Vuitton, wrap, but I'll probably just do a simple clean black with green ribs. One where it's like a full ribbed seat, and then like green halfway and then black out the back, but I don't know how that would look.
What about white and green?
That would probably be good too, because...
You have any white backing for graphics or?
Show you a couple of pictures. Because, America's based on 2-strokes, so I thought about doing the factory edition. So what I'm thinking is